Now, mobile phone connectivity remains a challenge in certain communities within the Banue region, despite efforts by the Ministry of Communication and Digitalization and the Ghana Investment Fund for Electronic Communications to enhance connectivity in remote areas across the country. Banue Nkwanta, a farming community, is one of the areas struggling with poor mobile phone connectivity. Citi News' Michael Sapong-Mfum has more in the following report.
Banue Nkwanta, located in the Sunyani East municipality of the Banue region, continues to face significant mobile connectivity issues. Residents must often move around the community to find a signal. The problem extends beyond Banue Nkwanta, affecting 15 other communities including Peprakum and Kwasimfum. A mast installed by the Ghana Investment Fund for Electronic Communications, GIFEC, in the community has yet to be connected to enhance mobile connectivity. Health workers in the community have shared their challenges with the poor mobile connectivity.
There is a pole here, but it's not connecting. And sometimes at our facility, there have been some emergency cases, but there is no ambulance. Even for you to call Sunyani for them to come here and help us, they will not get, even when you call, it will not even go, so you have to go for a taxi, and which is not appropriate. Under normal circumstances, it has to be an ambulance so that they can maybe give the person some care before they reach Sunyani Municipal or maybe regional hospital. But because of the network issue, we've been having a lot of problems here.
Well, because we don't have any network over here, we have to rush to the roadside almost every day. Sometimes there are cases you need to call an ambulance. Here is the case, we don't have a network over here. So it's either we ask some of the taxis to go to town and get an ambulance for us, or there is a police nearby store. So they also make some calls over there and get the ambulance for us to come and carry some of the patients to the bigger facilities around. And from where Sunyani and our facilities, it's not all that far. But I don't understand the reason why we are not getting a network. Because it seems the lack of network over here is slowing some of the things, especially to the health sector. Because we don't have any network, the PCs and other things, we are not getting them. And now it's almost like every facility is using a PC. These old system folders and other things are outmoded. But since we are not getting the network, our directorate and other staff are not willing to bring out some of the items over here. Because even if they are here, it's of no use to the facility and then the people around.
Some community members also expressed their frustrations about the situation.
Mpanimfoɔ bɛsi po don't feel you know a trim. Nanso yenyan connect entino. Ama yenya saa ɔhaw no. Nti yɛde adan mpanimfoɔ a wɔn sɛ nnɛ ɔkyena adekyee. Nti mpanimfoɔ ma ho mɛyɛ. Nti na yɛhwɛ sɛ bi nya mmoa afiri aban mu anaasɛ NGO foɔ bi hɔ a ɔmba bɛboa ayɛ adon no mo atimi connect network system na ma yɛ. Na ma yɛtimi adi ndwadi bi ti sɛ momo data ayin bia no pese afiri bi kura wa manoni a esan sɛ yenya service no ntino yentimi nyɛ saa adwuma no nti ɛde ɔhaw kɛse na ɛbrɛ yi kuruma
network no na kɔ zero zero kan ye brɛ ho pa o network kwa ye o serious thing bia brɛ o china bi wo a da bi wo kura etimichi ɛna wo ko wa do bituma na network ni kama da bi wo so atuma bituma tse kura a wonya kura bi nti so be brɛ saa o be nam saa nti be wi achi kwa na nipa na bi a o serious aya iri na wo say I'm going to say serious and I said, this was
as a Kologo Selfo, the assembly member for Banue Nkwanta electoral area also commented on the issue.
As a responsible member for development in this community, I've taken a lot of steps, such as I informed the development planning officer in Sunyani municipality. Is aware of this. As MP is also aware of this project. But I know that it's mass one, it's about 5 or 6 in the municipality. So as I'm here now, I'm not speaking for only Banue Nkwanta and its enclaves, but he assigns among Yemiri and other communities, as well as in Wawasua and Kusia and other communities is also facing the same problem. I'm sure that we are even close to Sunyane, but we are facing these networks. It seems that those at the assigned was here. Their one is difficult than us.
The inhabitants of Banue Nkwanta and other 15 adjoining communities are urging the Ghana Investment Fund for Electronic Communications (GIFEC) to speed up with the connectivity in this community. From Banue Nkwanta in the Sunyani East Municipality of the Banue region, Michael Saponifum, Citi News.